What's up, everybody? It's me with my son, and we're riding our wheels. He really enjoyed. I always have to tell him, slow down, evil Knievel, otherwise he's going to lose out. Look at his smile. He should enjoy it a lot. If you saw my previous video, you know my son without you, but he really like riding the one wheel. It's a nice weather. It's probably around 9 evening or so, but Alaska during summertime we got a really long day. Like, Peter, slow down a little bit. Don't be evil Knievel. I mean, we're not going too fast. We just want to kind of enjoy nice weather. Peter, slow down. And it's kind of funny because if I let him go forward, then he will really speed up. I think he's a main guy. I'm behind him, and that's when he accelerates. And it's for him, it's kind of a little bit hard to understand that board has limitation, and if he pushes too fast, it will not dive. And that's the last thing what you want to see. Your kid gonna do a nose dive on a one wheel, especially on those wheels that we're riding right now with the Vesk base one wheel. I built them both. His wheel is 18S 2-piece Molly Cells P42A, and mine is a 20S 3-piece Samsung 50S cell. My board is approaching 3,000 miles. Oh, I mean, pretty soon. His board actually, I believe it has like 500 or 600 miles so far, and all those miles he put last summer, because when I built it, it was brand new controller. But like I said, I mean, anything what you can make your kid happy, you know, you should do it. One wheel, bicycling, I mean, flying an airplane if you have opportunity like that, why not? And for me, like a dad, as a dad, to see a big smile on his face, that's mean a lot. Peter, slow down a little bit. And actually Alaska, during summertime, it's so beautiful. Unbelievable how beautiful it is. Thank you. Right now we're going to Sand Lake. Yeah, because we're almost there already. Well, it's not quite, but another half mile and it's going to be there. That's our kind of like main favorite lake to go for fishing. We need to pull it out our inflatable raft and boat, inflated, because this season we didn't go for fishing yet. That's gonna be a lot of fun too. It's kind of funny the way roads condition in Alaska. It's really bad. Alaskan roads probably the worst roads in America. But for one wheel, especially like this one, my wheel is based on a BTG. It's a BTG tire, longer rails. It's really nice. It feels really good for bumpy surface, no problem. Okay guys, and we're already here. Look at that. Nice lake. Well, that actually is not the lake itself, it's a channel. Well, yes it is a lake. But this channel is gonna be another like a quarter mile probably, and there's to the lake. Water level is getting pretty low right now. That was a lot of fun, guys. I mean, it's a lot of fun for us to ride it, and I'm pretty sure you guys did enjoy it. A nice weather, Alaska nice weather. Oh, seagull want to say hi. Hey, what's up, little bird? Okay guys, well, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We'll really appreciate it. Thank you. Peter, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Thank you.